Hi guys, so this is a new kind of thing for me. I've never done a video like this before, but I just happened to get a bunch of review packages like all at once. And so I thought, why not just do a quick little video giving everybody kind of a sneak peek of what's going to be coming up in my video reviews here and in my tutorials over the next few weeks. So this is a stamper, a clear stamper from Hit the Bottle Polish, and I am really interested in checking this one out with the kind of double-ended thing going on here, and how adorable is this packaging. Oh my gosh. She also sent me 3 stamping polishes to review. So Moonshine, Topelessly Devoted, love that, Make Mine a Mudslide. She always has the best names for her polishes, so I'm going to be testing those out. And she sent a peel-off base coat, which I'm really excited to test out. So we are going to be keeping it peeled. So Lantern and Wren sent me this collaboration plate with clear jelly stamper. And as you guys may know, I am a writer, and I write mysteries, and I write some fantasy and stuff like that. I write women's fiction. So I adored this plate. I also have a peel-off base coat from Lantern and Wren that I'm going to be trying, and this is a latex one, and I haven't tried a peel off base coat yet that's latex, so I'm excited to see the differences there. I also have some beautiful stamping polishes I'm going to be testing from Born Pretty Store, and as you can see, these are duochrome, so I'm super excited about that, to see how these stamp. And along with that, they sent me a couple of plates. So I'm going to be reviewing this plate, which I love because I love the look of chains on the nail, but the 3D chains they don't last very long for me, and this way you can kind of put any kind of chain you want in any kind of metal you want, and I love that idea. And then they also sent me this, which I just think is so beautiful, and I love like the lotus blossom, and this just feels very like yoga and spiritual and peaceful, and I'm just super excited about all of these images, so looking forward to testing that one out. And then last but not least, Beauty Big Bang sent me some stuff. So they sent me this gorgeous kitty puppy plate, which I just adored, so cute. So we're going to be looking at that. They sent me some of these flakies, and you can tell they change color and they shift, so they kind of are going to be, they give different effects over different kinds of polishes. They also sent me a wheel of these are crushed dried flowers, so I'm going to play around with those. And then some unicorn powder, like, you know, you guys have probably seen other ones like these, but they're like the chrome powders and things, and so I'm going to test that out and see how that works. Excited about that. They sent me this like little value pack of foils, and from the look of it, they have this diamond pattern, which I think maybe may make it a little bit more difficult to do like nail stamping effects, but I'm going to test it out, and we're going to see. We're going to play around with those and see what we can do. And actually, let me pull this open here. Let me see what we have here. Because, oh yeah, there's like a ton of different ones. I'm never going to get it back in the bag. It's alright though. It's alright. So, there's just like all of these different colors in here, and this is, I forget exactly what it was super cheap. Okay, and so not all of them have the diamond pattern, so some of these may be good for foil stamping with your nails. Some of them may not, may be better for other kinds of things, foil glues and that kind of stuff. So, oh, but man, there's just so much awesomeness in here. And, you know, these are pretty big. So there's, let me just pull off one. So yeah, there's plenty on there. Whoa, it just keeps going. So yeah, okay, so they're attached at the end. They're stapled at the end, which is also good because that way they won't go everywhere. I like that. But so that's a pretty long piece of foil. I mean, that'll do you for a lot of manis. Even if you're covering your entire nail, you're going to get several good manis out of that. And then there's a bunch in here. So anyway, we will look at more at those later. So that is what is coming up on my channel soon, and I hope to see you. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.